Hello, I'm Shashikant, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Sydney. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon Simple Email Service, SES, to receive inbound emails and store them in Amazon Simple Storage Service bucket to archive or further process. Let's get started. First, verify that your endpoint is an AWS region that supports email receiving with Amazon SES. For supported region, see the link in the video description. All the resource except S3 bucket must be in the same region as your SES endpoint. Next, verify the email domain that you want to use to receive the emails with Amazon SES. Navigate to SES console. Choose identities. Verify identity status. For Amazon SES to receive your domain's email, publish an MX record with an Amazon SES inbound endpoint in your domain's DNS configuration. For more information about Amazon SES endpoints, see the link in the video description. Now let's set up an S3 bucket with permissions to store emails from SES. Navigate to S3 console. Choose Create Bucket. Give a name and choose Create Bucket. Select the bucket. Select Permissions tab. Add this bucket policy to the bucket so that SES can write objects to the bucket based on SES receipt rule that you configure. Next, create the SES receipt rule to send inbound emails to the S3 bucket. Navigate to SES console. Select Email Receiving. Create rule set. And create rule. Name the rule. If you require TLS or spam and virus scanning, then choose Require TLS or Enable Spam and Virus Scanning. If you're storing only emails to specific addresses, then choose the recipient condition. Next, select the bucket to add in the Deliver to S3 bucket action. You can also use AWS Key Management Service, AWS KEMS, to encrypt emails, and use an Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS, topic to notify you. Finally, review and create the rule. Test your configuration. Use your verified domain to send a test email from the SES console. Enter the message details. And choose Send Test Email. Then check the configured S3 bucket to confirm that it received the test email object. You can see the test email here under the objects. And now you know how to use Amazon SES to receive inbound emails and store them in an Amazon S3 bucket to archive or process. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.